Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning. And this video, I'm just going to do a cash out, another cash out here on this website. It's called prolific.co. It's free to join, very easy to make some extra money in your spare time. Sign up, enter your information, what have you, and then they'll send you studies that you can do, various amounts of time, various amounts of payment that you will receive. I'm just going to log in here, guys. I'm not getting referral anything. I'm just letting you guys know about this. Just sign up, make some money. It's very easy. As you can see, my balance is £5 and 87 pence, which is British money, right? And I'm going to convert it to USD once I receive it. So they'll send me PayPal. Go ahead and make you a PayPal account. Right here, they'll have studies right there. Should I say, go back here. Right here, they'll have studies for you to do when it's available. You just go right here and do the study. Answer to the best of your abilities, your knowledge, what have you. So they have the submissions. This is all the ones I did so far. Total 368, got 307 approved. It's at earned 336.54, which is a lot more than that. And USD is like close to $500 now, I think. As you can see, some of the ones I completed. Still waiting on some. I'll click on the money right there. As you can see, my balance and my pending balance, I'm still waiting on that right there. So they'll approve them. They have up to 22 days after you complete a study to improve. And there's no right or wrong, guys. It just takes time for them to go through and improve them. Sometimes they have quality checks, so you gotta pay attention when you're answering the questions sometimes. And that's the only way one wouldn't get approved. It's very easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cash out, guys. After your fifth cash out, you can get your money instantly straight to PayPal. Go ahead and hit that cash out button. Make sure that information is right. Go ahead and hit proceed. So 8:35. I'm gonna go ahead and log into my PayPal so you guys can see it's instant. So I'm gonna pause this for a second here. Okay, guys. So in my PayPal, I'm gonna hit not now. I want you guys to see this. Okay. So my current balance is $7.32. So that was $7.32 here. That's what it equates to in USD. As you can see, I take screenshots sometimes of this so you guys can see. Click on my history. You can see I got paid tons and tons of times from this company here. You can do this on your cell phone, which I'm doing right now, as you can see. Go ahead. I usually transfer my money to my bank here, so I'm going to transfer my money to my bank here in a second. Going to see if I can convert this. I'm going to convert it over, so I'm going to pause this again. Well, actually, I'm just going to stop it. I'm just going to transfer this to my bank, guys. But you can see they paid me. Go ahead and sign up. Hit the link. Got any questions, comments, concerns? Let me know. Make some money easy. Peace out.